Hello everyone, welcome back to our course on worming technology. I am Professor Vishal Vaidya from the Department of Zoology, Gandhi College, Kada. In our last session, we talked about the significance of earthworms in sustainable agriculture and waste management. Today, we will take a closer look at the fascinating anatomy of the earthworms, which makes them so efficient at what they do, recycling the organic matter and enriching the soil. Before we can effectively cultivate and manage the earthworm, it's essential to understand their structure, how they move, how they feed, and how they reproduce. Each part of their body plays a unique role in converting waste into nutrient rich compost. Did you know that an earthworm can have up to 120 segments and each segment has a teeny bristles called setae that help it move through the soil? Let's explore again some interesting facts about the earthworm. The external morphology showing a segmentation, setae, clitellum and coloration of the body. The earthworm's body wall and the movement shows how the earthworm move through the soil. The digestive system shows their efficient digestive process. Circulatory and respiratory systems show how they breathe and circulate the blood. Reproductive system itself gives the information how the earthworms are hermaphrodite. So, in this session, we will explore the external features of an earthworm, understand how they move, and take a peek inside their body to see how they digest the food and reproduce. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how their unique structure supports their role in an ecosystem. Let's start to the discussion of the anatomy of earthworm. Earthworms are cylindrical and reddish brown in color. The earthworm body is divided into small segments. Dorsal side represent the blood vessels of the dark line and the ventral side shows a genital opening. The front end identified by the mouth and the prostomium. The prostomium is a burrowing organ of the earthworm. The clitellum segment they are present in 14 to 16 segment. The clitellum help to mark the front and the back end of the body. The body is divided into three parts on the basis of the clitellum: preclitellar, clitellar, and postclitellar sections. Earthworms are hermaphrodite in nature. Hermaphrodite means both the male and the female organs present in a same species. Female opening is at the segment 14 and the male opening is are at the segment 18. Setae that are present on the body which help to move present except in the first, last and the clitellar segment. Now we are moving towards the inner side of the body. We are starting with the first system, that is the digestive system. The digestive system is again divided in two parts: alimentary canal and digestive process. The alimentary canal is a long tube from first to the last segment. Earthworms eat the leaves and decaying organic matter mixed with soil. The digestive part start from the mouth, it means from the segment 1 to 3, and it passes through pharynx and the esophagus, means from the segment number 5 to 7. In the segment 8 to 9, the muscular gizzard is present and it moves towards the muscular gizzard. Now in the segment number 9 to 14, the stomach is present, the gizzard is enters into the stomach. At the end, the anus is present. Now the digestive part, after the digestive elementary part, the digestion process is start. Food gradually digested as moves through the canal. The gizzard grind the soil and food. Stomach neutralizes the humic acid with calciferous glands. The tiplasole, which is present in the intestine, segment number 26 to 35, and increase the surface area of the absorption. Now we are moving towards the next system, that is the circular system. Earthworms, they have closed system with heart, blood vessels and the capillaries. The blood gland produce blood cells and hemoglobin in the segment number 4 to 6. Now, the respiratory system is again very unique. No specialized structure. Earthworm do have a developed respiratory organ. Skin respiration is actually available in the earthworm. They respire through the moist skin by diffusion method. In the excretory system, the nephridium is a main thing. Nephridia, they are coiled tubules, regulate the body fluid volume and decomposition, acting the excretory organ. The waste removal is through a funnel connected to the nephridia, carries the waste and excess fluid excreted through the digestive tube. The nervous system is the sensory and muscular thing, control managed by the segmental ganglia. The ganglia are connected by a paired nerves. Now, earthworms lack eyes in the sensory system but have receptor cells to detect the environmental changes. The specialized sensory organs and chemoreceptors to respond to the stimuli concentrated into the anterior part of the body. About the reproductive systems, earthworms are bisexual. It means they are hermaphrodite. Both sexes are present, male and the female. Sperm stored in the four pair of spermatica in the segment 6 to 9. Now the male reproductive system having the two pairs of testes. They are present in the segment 10 and the 11. The vas differentia tilt in it running to the 18th segment. Two pairs accessory glands, they are present in the 17th and the 19th segment. The prostate spermatic duct open at a male genital pores in the 18th segment. Now, the female system consists of one pair of ovaries and oviduct opening through ovarian funnel to a female genital pore in the 14th segment. Thank you very much.